So here's how you make Nando's Peri Peri mild whole chicken at home. First, using the whole chicken, wash, drain and leave out at room temperature. Now to butterfly or spatchcock the chicken. Turn the chicken over and using kitchen scissors cut either side of the backbone. Discard the bone, carefully opening up the chicken and using a sharp knife, cut away the ribs and breastbone. You want the knife to cut under the bone and not into the meat. Once the spine, breastbone and ribs have been removed, turn the chicken over and put aside. Now for the peri peri sauce. Into a blender, add red capsicum or bell pepper, fresh garlic and chilies. If you want it milder, obviously use less chilies. If you want it really hot, add more. Add salt and my secret weapon, smoked paprika. I'm using smoked paprika because I won't be grilling it, but I still want that smoked flavour. Now add black pepper, vinegar, fresh lemon juice and extra virgin olive oil. Shake it and blend it for 5 minutes until the colour changes from a light cream to a light orange. Pour the sauce into a bowl, or if keeping it, place in sterilised glass bottles and it will last up to 6 weeks. Place the chicken on a wire rack on a deep baking tray. Place the whole chicken on the rack and brush with the peri peri sauce. Place into a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. And every 15 minutes, baste the chicken. You're after a glistening chicken that has some wicked darkened skin. You can of course use the barbecue or grill to do this. Just keep turning it and basting the chicken over an indirect heat. Leave the chicken to rest for 15 minutes, carve up into the portions, the wing, the leg and the breast, and serve immediately. And now, let's get stuck into this bad boy.